Space Invaders by Iman and David. Our goal was to provide a new version of Space Invaders. There's a twofold in the challenge of this game. The user has to work to destroy the aliens, but also work to evade the shots of the aliens. Our Space Invaders game was designed to provide users with a fun and challenging activity that pushes the users to destroy the aliens.
Okay, some rules and features of our game. As mentioned previously, the game is modeled off the retro game Space Invaders. So our basic gameplay has three elements. We wanted a movable player sprite which can fire shots, multiple movable aliens which shoot back, and if the player is hit by a bullet or if the aliens get too close, that will constitute a loss. After we established these baseline features, we added some new additions. For example, the new alien ambassador type will, if hit, constitute a loss. And also a new super alien type, which moves faster and needs 3 shots to kill. The difficulty setting was also added to increase the speed of the aliens as the time passed. Here we have some screenshots of our game. The left one is the title screen of the game, and the 2 right ones are some gameplay features. We can see the ambassador alien here and the 3 other aliens, and the shots fired from the aliens and from the player sprite.
Some challenges that we encountered include coding, since there were so many image sprites to work with and they all had to have these unique interactions. It was difficult to maneuver, but we got it down. And there were many bugs with the collision detection that needed to be resolved. And having the aliens disappear when you shoot was difficult to do, but we made it work. And cloning the aliens was very hard. We found an inefficient method, but it worked, got the job done of copying the sprites and the code for each clone eventually used.
Okay, here we have some demos. So at the beginning, the difficulty setting is set so that only a few aliens appear, but as the time goes on, the difficulty makes it so that more and more aliens begin to appear and the player begins to get overwhelmed by all the aliens. We see now that the white ambassador alien has appeared. This alien, you cannot shoot it, otherwise you will lose. And here's the super alien, the one that's super tough and requires 3 shots to kill, unlike the green ones, which only need 1 hit. Okay. Unfortunately, in that video, I was unable to show all the loss conditions. But as mentioned previously, the loss conditions were if you were hit by a shot from an alien, if one of the regular aliens got too close, not the ambassador alien, or if the player shot the ambassador alien on accident.
So for the future, we want to do it so if a certain score is hit, power-ups are rewarded to the player, such as a faster fire rate or a double firing of some sort. And then we also want to add a database feature that allows high scores to be recorded and put on a leaderboard with every user. And also we want to make it so once score X is reached, the aliens change their fire rate to become faster, increasing the difficulty. And we also want to add more enemies for the user to destroy to make the game a bit more challenging. Thank you so much.